Hey, YouTube fans! If you're fed up with posting videos on YouTube without gaining much traction, don't worry. I'll share a method that lets you earn significantly without even having to upload any videos on YouTube. Stay tuned as I unveil the strategy to reach this goal. Ever wondered how a channel can get heaps of subscribers without making many videos? Well, today, I've got a cool story about a channel that did just that. Stick around to learn their method for gaining subscribers and earning without making loads of videos. Now, let's jump into this mysterious YouTube channel. Join me on my computer screen as we explore how they got over 1 million subscribers with just a few videos. Yes, you heard that right, just a few. But here's the thing, this channel doesn't have live sessions, tons of playlists, or many uploaded videos. Curious? Hang on as I spill the secret behind their success. Looking at their community tab, it's amazing to see that this creator relies only on community posts. With nearly 1 million likes per post, they figured out how to engage their audience. But how did they do it? Some YouTubers talked to the genius behind this channel, and they shared their journey. Starting in 2018 to 19, they uploaded 2 videos, but due to copyright issues, YouTube removed them. Unfazed, they turned to community posts, and the results were impressive. Now, let's talk numbers. How does this channel make money? Learn the money-making strategy, including short promotional messages, subscriber boosts, and paid promotions. Hint, it involves a simple yet effective technique within their community. It's not a quick fix, but with just 30 minutes of daily work, you can set yourself up for long-term success. Ready to start your own journey? Check out the tools and resources linked below. From creating your channel to posting daily community content, you can follow in the footsteps of this unique YouTuber. Before you start, it's crucial to know YouTube's policies and guidelines on creating engaging content without breaking the rules. So, if you're into the idea of earning big with fewer videos, hit that like button, subscribe for more insights, and let's explore YouTube's untapped potential together. See you in the next eye-opening video. And remember, we're not affiliated with any specific channels or products.